Good morning, children. Did you enjoy the video that I sent you yesterday? Yeah, on Uncle Sam and Rose, right? Rosie, both of them went for shopping, and how Rosie looked at herself. She looked at all the weighing stones, and then she picked up 2 kilos of tomatoes, remember? And first she put the 1 kilogram weight, but then again the tomato was lower, so she needed to put 2 kilogram. She put 2 kilogram weight, and then it got equaled, right? So you enjoyed the video and you learnt about everything, no? We've been doing a lot of weights, kilograms and grams. So, before we proceed on, and we finished with our chapter. We finished with, yesterday you did how, we also read Simran and how much can Simran carry, and we looked at all the, what are some of the things that the crow could carry, and what could the elephant carry, right? So we did all that. You had a good time there, you enjoyed, and have you learned all of it properly? So, before I proceed on to something new, I thought let me just have a quick recap of whatever we have done so far. Okay, so what did we do? We talked about kilograms, right? And we write kilograms as what? Kg, right? And we talked about grams, and grams is, we write it as G. So we did kilograms and grams, and we know smaller things are measured in grams, and larger things, very big things, are measured in kilograms. So before we proceed on, I wanted to just, we have done all this kilogram and gram, and we have looked at a lot of items, but I have brought some more new items for you to look. So we can sort out and put some of them in what are weighed in kilograms in this row. I'll make it in a line in this, and whatever is weighed in gram, we'll put it here. Okay, so I have got a lot of things here around. You're not able to see, but I'm going to take it out one by one, and as I take it out, you're going to tell me whether I have to keep it in the kilograms column or in the grams column. Okay, right? Should we start now? What do we have? We have an elephant. Do you know? An elephant weighs a lot, it weighs in tons. It's much more than kilogram. It weighs a lot. So where would we put? We'll put it under kilograms. Kilograms, what is it? An elephant, and we weigh, it is weighed in kilograms. Now I put another one. What is it? Oh wow, it is a horse. What is it? It is a horse. And a horse is also heavy, no? Horse is also heavy. So we measure that in horse also. We measure in, what do we measure in? The kilograms. Horse also we measure in kilogram. Elephant also we measure in kilograms. Now, what about this, which wakes us up in the morning? Cock. It is heavy, no? It is heavy, right? So it is also measured in kilograms. So we're putting it under kilogram. We'll be able to see the face of the cock. Okay, we'll be able to see the face of the cock here, right? Putting it. Okay, now can we look at some other things? What do I have here? What is it? My favorite cap. Cap is so light, no? And how will we measure it? In grams or in kilograms? We put it in grams, right? And this is a mobile. It's a mobile cover. And The mobile is also inside, but it's still lighter, very light. So we'll measure it in, what will we measure it in? We'll measure it in grams. Now what do I have here? See, what is it? A remote. Mama uses it, no? You also use it to keep changing the channel, right? A remote. Where would we put the remote? We'll put the remote, it's very light, so we'll put it in grams. Okay, we'll put it in grams. Now, what do we have here? A scale. A scale is so thin, it is so light. See, I can easily lift it up. So we'll put it in gram. Can't we put it in gram? We'll put that in gram. Okay. Oh, what do I have here? Pen, and very light, very light. We'll measure it in grams. Now children, I have something another heavy thing coming up. Okay, another heavy thing coming. You know what is it called? Have you all ever seen people fighting? Weightlifters lifting the weight? Well, what do I have? My goodness. What is it? This is called a dumbbell. What is it? It's called a dumbbell. You know, they lift it like this. And it is very heavy. You know how much it is? It is 5 kilograms. My hands are paining. So this is very heavy. So how will we measure it? We'll measure it in kilograms. So this huge thing we are going to measure in kilograms. Okay. Now what do I have here? A pot. A pot. And this is, even though it is little heavier, it's heavier than this pen and all, but it's still not very heavy. So it can be measured in gram. So we'll put it in gram. Can be measured in gram. Then your color box. No, it's not very heavy. It's light. And we'll measure it in grams. So we'll put it here. We'll measure this also in gram. Okay. Now I have some match boxes. Matchbox. It is so flimsy, so light. And how do we measure it? In grams, right? And I have a book here. Even though it is very thick and heavy, but it is not very heavy. When we weigh it, it might be somewhere around 500 grams. So we'll put it in grams. Okay? We'll put the book in grams. Okay, children. Now, I have one more thing, very heavy. I don't know whether I'll be able to lift it up and bring it here. I'll try to lift it up. It's very, very heavy, okay? And you know what it is? Look at this. It is a cover of that drum. Remember the lesson? Simran's father tried to lift up a big drum, no? It must be weighing around 20 kg or so. But he was lifting it up and taking it to the kitchen. Yes. So I also have a similar drum, a big drum. Okay. So let me try to lift it up and bring it here. Okay. I'll try and lift it up. And it has got a lot of things inside also. So I'll try. Let me try. It's too heavy. I need both the hands to lift. It's very heavy. What is it? A drum. What is it? A drum. And the cover of the drum is lighter. And I'm putting it here. So where will I put the drum? Should I put the drum in kilogram or gram? I'll put the drum in kilogram. Okay. So we put the drum in kilogram. So children, now you've seen so many items. Some are measured in kilograms, some are measured in grams. And we know now very clearly that lighter units are measured in, lighter things are measured in grams, and very heavy things are measured in kilograms. Very heavy things are measured in kilograms. Okay, this is the kilogram we have. Okay, now I will be showing all this. Now it's not very clear, you're not able to see everything. So I'm going to arrange it and put it in the same way. Like one, I'll put kilograms are all in one line, grams all in one line, and then I will take another little snap of it and show you all the items. Okay. In the meantime, yesterday I told you, no, I'll be giving you a homework which I did not give you, and I told you, okay, you can do it tomorrow. So today you will do that in a PDF form, and you know what is the homework? It's the same thing what we did now. That is why I did this. You know, we'll have a lot of items in it, names of items written on it, and you have to tell whether it is measured in kilograms or grams. So if it is measured in kilograms, you will write kg next to it, and if it is measured in grams, you will write g next to it. Okay, so that's very simple exercise that I'm giving, and we've done it already. Okay, very simple exercise. Okay children, then have a nice time, have a good day, and enjoy all the video clips that I'm going to send. I told you, I'll be sending a beautiful video clip once again of something on weight. So you enjoy that and keep revising the concept and keep learning things. Okay children, so then I'll meet you tomorrow again with another interesting class. Very interesting activity I've planned for tomorrow. Okay, so stay with me. Okay, and enjoy the day and do the homework. Okay children, bye. Now children, I told you that I'll be showing you all the items which I have put it here. Remember the tin, kilogram, then elephant is kilogram, right? Then we have a horse here which is also weighed in kilogram. Then we have the cock. Cock is also weighed in kilogram. And do you know what this is, children? This is a dumbbell. Okay, now this is also very heavy. Now each of it has about 5 kilograms. Can you see 5 kilograms written there? Can we see that 5 kilogram? Can you see 5 kilograms? See, 5 kg written. So each dumbbell is about 5 kg. So we have 2 dumbbells here. 5, 5, 10 kgs. So this is also weighed in kilograms, the dumbbells. Then we can go to the gram. Remember all the things I showed you for gram? This is the gram. Yeah. The cap we measured in gram. The scale is measured in gram. The mobile phone was measured in gram. Right? Can you see all this? And what did we have? We had the remote, and then we had a pen, and we had some matchboxes. Then we had a color box. All these are measured in gram. Then we had a pot, which was measured in gram, and also a book, right? So these are the things which I had shown you today and discussed with you. So I told you that I will be showing it all so you can see it. So you could see it all now. Can you see it? Right? All measured in grams, and these are all measured in kilograms. Okay children, now I'll be sending you the 2 video clips now. Okay, bye.